All right, everybody, welcome back. Rae-Shan is with us today. I'm Dr. Blumenthal. We're in the Bethesda office of Natural Transplants. Rae-Shan is coming in from New Jersey. Not New York, but New Jersey. We are so excited. Thank you. You've been looking forward to this for a long time. I had a great visit with you a couple months back, so I've been looking forward to this for a while as well too.
Thank you.
But thanks for doing this for everybody. I know we chatted about kind of paying it forward, but if you wouldn't mind sharing your story with everybody.
Well, you know, for all of my life, I think I've had thin edges and always wanted to wear my hair in a bun, never wore a ponytail. And I've been researching a hair transplant for such a long time. And of course, you know, as Black women, we look for, you know, transplants or women that look like us.
Yeah.
Not men, but women.
Yeah.
And so I don't like everybody not seeing my sexy, but I'm here to get my sexy back. So, you know, I just wanted to do this video to pay it forward for somebody that, like me, they want it. And I have to tell you, you know, a big delay in doing this is, you know, finances. Not everybody has the money, but I just want to encourage you, find the money, get a loan, do what you need to do, because it's so worth it in the end. You know, don't spend your life wishing. Get it done.
Awesome.
You know, so that's what I'm here today.
That's so fantastic. I did the same thing, but it's so nice to hear. Today what we're going to do, like you said, we're going to bring down a little bit of the hairline that you want to do.
Yes.
And then kind of fill in the corners, and then fill in a little bit of the sides as well too. I'm going to have Ron zoom in a little bit.
Ooh,
I know this makes you uncomfortable showing everybody, but you're sacrificing. I appreciate that. Everybody else. Thank you so much.
But of course.
You have awesome hair for this. This is going to be fantastic. We're going to have a wonderful day today.
Yes, we are.
Good energy.
Yes.
We'll check in with you. We'll do a little bit of shave and drawn, and we'll check in with you after that.
Sounds good.
Awesome.
My turn today, your turn tomorrow.
Let's see you soon. All right, Dr. Blumenthal back with Rae-Shan, and as you can tell, we've drawn out the hairline and done a little bit of shaving. Just dropped it down a touch. Didn't really bring in the sides that much, but we did drop down the corners in the front, and I think it looks nice and natural on her. We have the first 2 fingers or so as the first priority, and then assuming we have more hair, which we should, we can fill in kind of the back section as well too. And then we're just going to spin you around a little bit. You can see the cool skater shave hair on the back. Looks like you got good density. So I'm assuming we should have enough to fill it all in, but it's always good to have plan A, plan B, plan C. So you feeling all right? You excited?
Yes, I am.
We got one Valium on board. We're going to use the restroom before we get in, and then we'll rock and roll.
Let's rock and
roll.
roll.
We'll see you in a little bit. All right, Dr. Blumenthal back with you. Rae-Shan, we are done. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So as you just said, you look a little bit alien-like, but overall, how did the day go? And be honest.
You know what? I'm going to be very honest here. The day was not bad at all. It was very quick.
Yep.
And you know, out of all the videos I've watched, everybody talked about the injections were the worst part. And I can't even say they were that bad. I will say that it was more of my anxiety leading up to the injections, but it wasn't bad. The day went by quickly. The team was awesome, and I'll have edges soon.
Awesome, you got edges. That's right.
Dr. Blumenthal was great, and they didn't pay me to say that. The team was awesome. Lunch was even
Lunch was great.
Good.
We had a mushroom burger. It was
Mushroom
fantastic.
burger.
We've had that
fantastic.
before. I know.
So I'm so happy I
Good.
did this, and
Good.
with Natural Transplants.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank
I'm just going to zoom in just so we can kind of
Sure.
see what we did. We really packed that top and the side. We were a little short on grafts, and so what I decided to do is not this back half finger or so, maybe up to a finger. We did not fill that in, and the same thing with on the other side. But on the initial pictures, you actually have hair all around here, and so that was sort of the last priority. You got hair all in this area, so we really wanted to focus on the areas that you did not have hair, kind of up in here, and especially up on the top. So I think when it all comes in together, it's going to all blend in well, and it's going to look really good. I'm really excited. I'm excited. I know.
I'm so excited.
And then let me just show the back just so we
Sure.
can feel it. And that's good. It's going to be a tiny little sliver of an incision all the way around. It's going to be real thin.
So excited.
So hopefully we can sort of keep tabs on you.
Definitely.
See you at the year mark. Have the big reopening, and keep checking in with you. All right.
I'll be
John, thank you
back.
so much for sharing with
Thank
everybody.
you.
Hopefully this helps.
Bye, you guys.
All right.
Hopefully this helps.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.